My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
Eekum Bokum is a gibberish phrase that was originally spoken by a character from the game Banjo-Kazooie and now has become a meme after a series of events. Here's a quick breakdown. It originated from the video game, then a VTuber said it a bunch of times in a live stream, then YouTuber Too Many Snacks posted an animation of the streamer and the game's character saying it multiple times, and it now has millions of views. And now people are making their own versions by replacing the audio and adding other edits to that animation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily make your own version of this meme using a free online template. Just click the first link in the description below to get to the template, sign into your free Kapwing account so no watermark is added at the end, and let's get started. So to make the meme, you're gonna go to the meme template that is linked, the first link in the description below. Just click that and you'll get here, and then just click make it. So the way that this template is oriented is there's the first scene where the girl says Eekum Bokum, and then the second scene is where they repeat it twice. So on the template, I've already attached this audio file, which is the Big Rush intro theme song. So if you just play the video right when you open the template, it'll look like this. So basically, you can make any edits you want here. The biggest thing you'd probably want to do is change the audio. So if you click Edit Audio, this is where you can remove the existing audio and then either upload your own audio file, drop a link to something, or even record your own voiceover. So I'm going to make one with the Bill Nye Science Guy theme song. So I just have the YouTube video pulled up, and I'm just going to copy this link and paste it right into that box. And it's already pulled up the audio and started it at the exact same time as the previous one, which will time it so that it starts when the skull says Eekum Bokum. If you play the clip, it might sound off though. So you see that it was kind of off. And that's because the audio itself doesn't start where they're saying Bill Nye right away. So what you can do is trim the audio. So I'm just going to trim the audio down to the part where I want it to start. So I trimmed it down so it starts here. I'm going to click trim audio and then just click done. It should already be starting at 0.83, and let's see what it looks like right now. So I feel like it's a little bit fast. One thing I'm gonna do is change the speed of this second scene so that the audio lines up exactly with the visuals of them talking. So just select the scene you want, then click the video on the canvas, and then I'm gonna decrease the speed to 0.75 and see how that looks. And let's see. That looks really good to me, lined up pretty perfectly. So one note I wanna make about the audio is that the audio you attach up here is going to play throughout the whole video. So in this case, I'm only adding one audio clip and that works for the video. But if you wanted to add multiple scenes, if you wanted to, like, I've seen some where they copy this second part and do more of the back and forth talking. So you can just click this button to duplicate the scene. And then in each individual scene, you can add audio by either dragging the audio file onto this canvas on that scene, or if you go to timeline, you can upload and then upload an audio file here to this individual scene. I'm just gonna keep it simple, keep it to one scene with the back and forth. From here, you can upload other things like images or GIFs or shapes. You can either upload them by clicking upload and then choosing your files from your device, or you can click images here and it'll source from Google Images. So if I wanted like Bill Nye GIF, I could just choose whichever GIF I want. So let's just say I click this one, and I can resize this down so that it's just like kind of sitting here. We also have a couple of video animations. So if you click the scene and then click the video you want to animate, you can just go to the animate tab over here, and one that's pretty memey is the he rotate. So it makes everything rainbow. And then once you are happy with how your video looks, you can just click export video. So my video is finished loading, and this is the final product. So if I want to save this video to my computer, I can just click download here. I can always go in and edit or make a copy of this, and then if I copy the link to this and share it with others, they can see this exact page, watch the video, and even download it themselves or make a copy and make their own version. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content creation and meme tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video.